Alright, how's it going, YouTube? So, bring you an unboxing of this Ultra HD 4K edition camera, action camera. I want to shout out to my big sister. So, the other day I had mentioned I had messed up one of my GoPros, and the other one I just can't find. So, what happened with this, it don't have a case. So, my son took it too deep underwater, and I think that's what messed it up. Still turns on and everything, but the screen doesn't work. I can't get the stuff out of it and whatever. But she heard it in the video and she called me that same day soon as she watched it and said, "You'll have something coming in the mail Wednesday." And today is Wednesday and there it is. So I'm gonna unbox this and then we'll go from there. But anyway, thanks sis. I really appreciate it. It was shocking. Like not shocking, but just out of nowhere. So I really appreciate it. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, the box is open. Let's see what's in there. Oh, got the camera. Looking good. Looking good. Let's see what else is in there. Alright. So like a waterproof case. Got the holder. Bunch of adapters. Got some straps here. Might have to use those on the RC cars. Oh yeah. Check that out. We got handlebar holders. Okay, this is the charging port. Oh, for the batteries. Man, charging port. What else is there? We got the charger. Got more adapters. More adapters. These must be the batteries. Yep. Battery 1. Comes with 2 batteries. We got some zip ties. We got a screen cleaner, double-sided tape. We got this. I was real concerned about this. So that big strap probably for here, but this is to turn it off and on, stop recording, everything like that. More adapters, double-sided, more adapters. These are all adapters that you can just connect to stuff like mount the camera certain places. But anyway, let's get into the meat of the camera. Let's see. Alright, so I drop it already. Okay, we got this to take off. See, it come in a waterproof case already. So that's what I really needed for my GoPro. Oh, it's very light. It has a screen in the back. Okay. Got the SD card on the side. I gotta take the GoPro one out and put it in there. We got some USB ports on the side. We got mode. It's a very light camera. This camera is very light. Anyway, let me go ahead and crank this on. Let's see if the batteries charge up and then go from there. Alright, y'all, hold on. Alright, YouTube. Give y'all a quick update. So, I got the camera set up on my head strap. And, I did record a video with it. So, what happened was I couldn't hear nothing. So, why I couldn't hear nothing is, let me show you. Sorry about that. So, this case right here is completely sealed. So, if it's inside of this case, you won't hear nothing. So what you need to do is switch the case so where you got the 2 holes in the back so you can hear the sound. So I'm gonna actually record with this again. I'm gonna show you the first one and then I'll show you the second one. And then we'll go from there. So y'all let me know what y'all think so far. Let me go ahead and play the next 2 clips and go from there. Alright, YouTube, just some footage of this new camera. Just testing out some stuff. This is it by itself, and then I'll push it up in there, show you how it looks in there. Alright guys, this one is actually with the open back piece, but it would be on my head, so it would be like that. Hopefully we'll see how the sound is and we'll go from there. Just want to do that. I'm gonna throw that video in there with the other one, so y'all let me know what y'all think. I know the camera is very touchy, so as soon as you touch it, you'll either hear sound or the motion in the camera move. With the GoPros, you don't really notice that at all with the hyper smoothness, but this will work. Thanks again, sis. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. Let me go ahead and hopefully you guys is hearing me. But I'm gonna wrap this video up. Shout out to my big sis for the new cam. I'm gonna go ahead and charge my batteries up. Hopefully tomorrow I can get out and do some videos. Alright guys, so what I did now, I just took out the little thing that was in the corner up there telling you the time and the date. And I believe I changed it to HD 60 something. I forgot the frequency, but anyway, I just want to see how this looks. I want to add that in there. But anyway, thanks.